Nature's Healing TV presents 8 powerful leaves that cleanse your blood naturally. What if I told you that the reason behind your constant fatigue, your skin problems, your unexplained body pains is not just stress, but dirty blood? Yes, toxins silently flowing through your bloodstream, poisoning your organs, weakening your immune system, and slowly draining your life. But here's the truth they don't tell you. Nature has already provided powerful leaves, hidden in plain sight, used by our ancestors to cleanse the blood, restore strength, and fight disease from the root. Tonight, I will reveal 8 powerful leaves that cleanse your blood naturally. Some of them you pass by every single day. But be warned, number 5 and number 8 may completely change how you see healing forever. This video is for educational and traditional knowledge purposes only. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before starting any treatment. Section 1. What does dirty blood really mean? Modern medicine doesn't exactly use the term dirty blood, but science agrees on this. Toxins from processed foods, pollution, alcohol, medications, infections can overload your liver and kidneys. And when your detox organs are overwhelmed, your blood becomes a carrier of waste instead of life. Signs may include constant tiredness, acne and skin rashes, frequent illness, bad breath, body odor, digestive issues. Your body is crying for help, and this is where medicinal leaves come in. Leaf number 1, bitter leaf. Bitter but powerful. Traditionally used across Africa for malaria, fever, stomach cleansing. Modern research shows it contains flavonoids, alkaloids, antioxidants. These compounds help cleanse toxins, support liver detoxification, improve blood quality. It literally filters your blood from within. How to use? Harvest fresh leaves. Take a good quantity of fresh bitter leaves, wash thoroughly with saline or salt water. Preparation Formula 1. Place the leaves in a bowl and gently squeeze while adding a small amount of clean water until the water becomes greenish and infused with the leaf compounds. Strain the liquid and drink. Preparation Formula 2. Put the fresh bitter leaves into a pot and boil for a few minutes. The quantity of water should be slightly above the leaves in the pot. Bring down the pot and sieve into a teacup. You may add a little pinch of salt to slightly minimize the bitter taste if you like. Preparation Formula 3. Sun-dry the leaves, crush them with bare hands to powder form. Put it into a clean, dry bag or container for as long as a few months. Boil your hot water with your kettle or pot. Add 2 tablespoonsful of your bitter leaf powder into the cup. Nevertheless, consult your doctors before attempting these remedies. Stir with spoon. Cover the teacup, allow the tea to diffuse at least for about 30 minutes, then sieve. Drink morning and night before or after food, depending on your choice and the ailments. Leaf number 2, neem leaves. Known as the village pharmacy. Neem is one of the most powerful natural blood purifiers, used in traditional medicine for skin diseases, infections, blood cleansing. Research shows neem has antibacterial properties, antifungal effects, immune-boosting compounds. It doesn't just cleanse your blood, it fights the root cause of contamination. Use carefully. Boil leaves and drink in moderation. Do not overdose. Too much neem can be harmful, but the right dose can be life-changing. Leaf number 3, guava leaves. Often ignored, yet extremely powerful. Guava leaves contain vitamin C, quercetin, a strong antioxidant. Benefits: detoxifies blood, supports liver function, fights infections. Also used for diabetes management, digestive health. Preparation: boil leaves, drink as tea. In many villages, this was the first remedy given long before hospitals became common. Leaf number 4, moringa leaves. called the miracle tree. Moringa is packed with iron, calcium, vitamins A, C, and E. It doesn't just cleanse your blood, it rebuilds it. Perfect for anemia, weak immunity, fatigue. Use: powder in smoothies, fresh leaves in soups. If your blood is weak, cleansing alone is not enough. You must restore what was lost. Leaf number 5, scent leaf, also known as African basil. Powerful for detoxification, respiratory health, blood cleansing. Contains essential oils, antimicrobial compounds. It helps eliminate harmful bacteria, internal toxins. How to use? Chew fresh leaves. Use in herbal tea. Emotional hook. This leaf has quietly saved countless lives without recognition. Leaf number 6, ugu leaves or fluted pumpkin. Highly valued in Nigeria. Rich in iron, folate. Supports blood formation, detoxification. Perfect for pregnant women, people with low blood levels. Use: fresh juice, cooked in soups. Hook: sometimes the solution is not exotic, it's right in your kitchen. Leaf number 7, dandelion leaves. Popular in Western herbal medicine. Supports liver detox, kidney function, acts as natural diuretic, blood purifier. Use: tea or capsules. What many people call a weed may actually be a powerful healer. Leaf number 8, parsley. Small but mighty. Contains vitamin K, chlorophyll. Benefits: detoxifies blood, supports kidney function. Use: add to meals, drink as tea. Final hook: never underestimate small things. They often carry the greatest power. Your blood is your life. When it is clean, your body thrives. When it is toxic, everything suffers. Nature has already given us the tools. The question is, will you use them? If this video opened your eyes, subscribe to Nature's Healing TV, because the truth is, healing is not far away. It is growing all around you. Comment below, "I choose natural healing," and tell us which leaf surprised you the most.
This video is for educational and traditional knowledge purposes only, and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. So be warned.